Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Kraken's advanced trading features. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. The first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So go on Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and your Kraken password. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the trading page by clicking on the trade tab. Once you click on trade tab, it's going to take you to the trading page where you can select the advanced trading features that you wish to use, such as margin trading or futures trading. And then just set up your trading parameters such as your leverage and stop loss orders and whatnot. Go ahead and take your time on those. Once that's done, just confirm your trades by clicking on the buy or sell button. And from there on out, you want to make sure you monitor your trades by checking your Kraken account balance and transaction history. You can also adjust your trading parameter as needed to better optimize your trades. And close your trades by clicking on the close button. You're gonna withdraw your funds to your bank accounts or to your cryptocurrency wallets. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to trade altcoins on Kraken in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next